Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa. Today, I want to share something very important, something very powerful. You can change your English in only 6 months. Yes, just 6 months. It may sound like a short time, but it can create a big change in your English. Maybe you think this is not possible. Maybe you believe you need 5 years or even 10 years. But the truth is, 6 months is enough to see real progress. 6 months is enough to feel different. If you live with English every single day, if you surround yourself with English like the air you breathe, you will improve. Day by day, little by little, you will grow. Now you may be wondering, how can I improve in 6 months? What should I do every day? How can I stay motivated for so long? Will I get tired? Will I give up? These are great questions, and today I will answer them. I am not going to give you complicated theory or difficult grammar rules. I will share simple steps. I will show you what to do when you listen, when you speak, when you read, and when you write. I will also show you how to think in English and how to stay mentally strong when learning feels difficult. By the end of this video, you will understand the plan. You will know how 6 months can change your English and maybe even change your life. So stay with me. Listen carefully. You can repeat after me if you like. This could be the first step of your journey. Let's begin. The first word you need to understand is immersion. Immersion means living in English. It is not studying for 10 minutes and then forgetting about it. It means English becomes part of your daily life. Not just in class, not once a week, but every day. When you wake up in the morning, start your day with English. Play a podcast, watch a short video, or listen to a simple English song. From the first moments of your day, English should already be in your ears. When you are alone, do not stay silent. Speak in English. Talk to yourself. Describe what you are doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making tea. I'm getting ready for work. These are simple sentences, but they are powerful because they make English a part of your life. When you go outside for a walk, try to think in English. Look around and describe what you see. The sky is blue. The road is busy. That tree is tall. The dog is running. This trains your brain to think directly in English. At night, before you sleep, read something in English. It does not need to be long. Even 1 page is enough. The goal is simple. Start your day with English and end your day with English. In this way, English stays around you all the time. At the beginning, it may feel difficult. You may feel tired or confused. You may listen and think, I don't understand anything. That is normal. Think about exercise. When you start after a long break, your body feels heavy and tired. But if you continue, your body becomes stronger. The same thing happens with your brain. In the beginning, your brain is adjusting. Slowly, English will start to feel natural. Remember this. Immersion is not about perfection. It is about consistency. It is about being present with the language every day. Now let's talk about the first important skill, listening. Listening is like food for your brain. Without listening, your English cannot grow. From the first day, listen as much as possible. Imagine this. You wake up in the morning and make your tea or coffee. Instead of playing content in your native language, you play something in English. A podcast, a YouTube video, or a simple song. Even if you don't understand everything, that is okay. Your ears are learning the sound and rhythm of English. During the day, keep listening. While walking, cooking, cleaning, or resting, play English in the background. At first, you may understand only a few words. After some weeks, you will understand more. After some months, you will understand full sentences and ideas. Listening every day trains your ears. English will start to sound normal and familiar. But listening alone is not enough. You must also speak. Many learners wait for the perfect moment. They think they will speak when they meet a native speaker or when their English becomes better. That is a mistake. The perfect time to speak is now. You can speak even when you are alone. Talk to yourself. Describe your actions. I'm walking. I'm cooking. I'm drinking tea. These simple sentences train your mouth and your tongue. Another powerful method is shadowing.
If you always translate from your native language, you will speak slowly. But when you think directly in English, you become faster and more confident. Start with just 5 minutes a day. Ask yourself simple questions. What will I eat today? Where will I go? What do I need to buy? Answer yourself in English. In the beginning, it may feel difficult. Your mind will want to switch back to your native language. But if you practice daily, your brain will adapt. After some time, you will notice something amazing. You will start thinking naturally in English without translating. That means real progress. So remember, listening trains your ears. Speaking trains your mouth. Thinking trains your brain. When you combine these three, your English becomes natural and confident. But there is one more thing, the most important one, your mindset. Many learners quit because of negative thoughts. English is too hard. I am too old. I can't do this. These thoughts stop your progress. You must change your inner voice. Instead of saying, I can't, say, I am learning. Instead of saying, I'm bad, say, I am improving. Instead of saying, I'm slow, say, every day I get better. These positive thoughts give you the energy to continue. Remember, immersion is not about being perfect. It is about progress. Small steps every day create big results over time. So, here is your challenge. For the next 6 months, live with English every day. Listen every day. Speak every day. Think in English every day. If you stay consistent, you will see real change. You will feel more confident. You will feel more comfortable. You will be proud of yourself. Your 6-month English transformation starts today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Are you ready? Thank you, my friends, for being with me on Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa. Keep listening, keep learning, keep believing in yourself. See you in the next video.